Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show. I started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know.
First, we prepare the tools and materials. Second, we cut the sausage according to taste. Third, open instant noodle packaging and remove all the spices that are inside. Then, fill the pot with enough water. After that, heat a pot of water until it boils. Add instant noodles and sausage when it's boiling. Prepare the spices, oil, soy sauce, and chili sauce on a plate while waiting for the noodles to cook. Turn off the stove and drain. Combine noodles and sausage with spices, soy sauce, and chili sauce. Stir until smooth. Sprinkle fried bawang and instant noodle ready to be served.